I am Juan Gabriela de la Rosa, and today, with my partner Gabriel Nefel de la Cruz, I will present to you Think, Pair, and Share. What are some of human traits that may have evolved over time? 6 million to 6 million years ago, today, for cognitive traits, we have language ability, abstract thinking, and theory of mind. For physical traits, we have bipedalism, dexterous hands, and reduced body hair. For social and emotional traits, we have empathy and cooperation, altruism, and pair bonding. Cultural and symbolic traits, we have art and music, and ritual and religion. Many human traits have evolved over time through natural selection, genetic drift, and cultural influences. Here are some of the key examples in the cognitive traits. Then we have the language ability. Complex spoken and written language is uniquely human and likely to evolve to enhance social bonding and cooperation. Abstract thinking. Humans can plan, imagine future events, and think symbolically, supporting creativity and problem solving. Theory of mind. Understanding others' thoughts and intentions improves social interactions and cooperation. Memory and learning, especially long-term memory, allowing knowledge transmission across generations. For physical traits, we have bipedalism, walking upright with our hands for tool use and improved energy efficiency over long distances. Dexterous hands. Opposable thumbs and fine motor skill evolved for tool making and manipulation. Reduced body hair, possibly to aid in temperature regulation and parasite reduction. Sweating. Humans have more sweat glands than other primates, improving cooling during endurance activities. Social and emotional traits. Empathy and cooperation has strong social bonds likely offered survival advantages in group settings. Altruism, helping others, especially kin or group members, increased survival and reproductive success. Pair bonding. Long-term relationships may have evolved to support offspring care and social stability. Diet and digestion traits, smaller jaws and teeth. As cooking and food processing developed, our need for large chewing muscles decreased. Lactose tolerance evolved in some populations to allow digestion of milk beyond infancy, especially in pastoral societies. Amylase gene copy number. Populations with high starch diets evolved with more copies of this gene to better digest starch. Cultural and symbolic traits. Art and music, these may have evolved to strengthen social bonds or as an indicator of intelligence and mate quality. Ritual and religion may have evolved to promote group cohesion and social order. Which human traits do you think is the most important for survival? The most important human trait for survival is arguably cooperation. While intelligence in language or tool use are all vital, cooperation is what allowed humans to form societies and share resources, hunt in groups and defend against predators, care for vulnerable members such as young, old, or sick people. build infrastructure and solve problems collectively, and transmit knowledge across generations. Without cooperation, even the smartest individuals would struggle alone in hostile environment. It's the foundation of every human advancement from early tribes to modern civilization. How might of humans continue to evolve in the future? Human evolution is still ongoing, though it now includes biological and technological dimensions. Here's how we might continue to evolve. Biological evolution, slow but ongoing. What one? Number one, disease resistance. Population may evolve stronger immunity to diseases, especially in response to emerging pathogens and or antibiotic resistant bacteria. Number two, brain and cognitive function. Subtle changes in neural efficiency and or memory may continue, especially if linked to survival or reproductive success. Subtle changes. Okay. Number three, like physical adaptations to environment. Climate adaptation. Skin pigmentation and body shape may continue adjusting to global migration and climate change. Dietary evolution. Continued adaptation to processed or plant-based meals, aka more amylase for starch or gene editing in metabolism synthetic additives. And number four, reproductive trends. Traits associated with increased fertility, later childbearing, or IVF reliance could shape gene frequencies over time. Technological and cultural evolution to evolve much faster. Number one, human-machine integration. Brain-computer interfaces such as Neuralink may enhance memory, focus, or communications. Prosthetics and implants could surpass natural limbs or senses. Number two, genetic engineering. CRISPR and similar tools may allow direct editing of DNA to prevent disease or enhance traits, potentially leading to designer humans. Number three, cognitive offloading. We increasingly rely on tech such as artificial intelligence or phones for memory and decision making. Future humans might evolve to co-adapt with these systems mentally and socially. CRISPR, pronounced CRISPR, stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. It's a powerful tool for gene editing that allows scientists to precisely alter DNA in living organisms. Social and emotional evolution. Number one, increased empathy or emotional regulation. As global interconnectedness grows, social cohesion may favor traits like tolerances, adaptability, and cooperation. Number two, language and communication shifts. We might evolve toward non-verbal or digital-first communication, reshaping how we first think and relate to others. Speculative but possible changes. Space adaptation. If humans can colonize space, we might evolve to or engineer traits for low gravity, radiation resistance, or altered circadian rhythms. Longer lifespans. Evolution may favor longer, healthier lives, especially as medical technology extends aging thresholds. Visual concept of future human evolutions. There it is. The brain-computer interface, disease resistance, genetic engineering, climate adaptation, prosthetic limbs, longer lifespan, biological evolution. There's this disease resistance, climate adaptation, and dietary evolution. Human machine integration. There's brain computer interface, and prosthetics and implants. Genetic engineering, which includes editing of DNA. Space adaptation includes low gravity and radiation resistance. Thank you for listening. This ends our presentation. Goodbye.